Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.NTVforex.com. Forex News NTVforex Gold testing critical resistance ahead of $1,800s. Dollar bears in assistance. http www.ntvforex.com News ID 8dd23c. July 6, 1830 GMT. By Ross J. Berland. Gold prices on a steady incline towards $1,800s as USD sinks. Investors want the yellow metal no matter the risk environment. XAU USD is currently trading at $1,785.16, having traveled between a low of $1,769.64 and a high of $1,786.83. Gold is elevated by some 0.6% on the day so far, performing well despite a risk-on environment while the greenback flakes away below a critical hourly support level. Despite the concerns pertaining to COVID-19, the week started off on the front foot in Asian financial markets, with stock indices rallying. European and US equities have also rallied with stocks on Wall Street accelerating gains with Nasdaq rallying 2% to a new all-time high. Everything, fundamentally, is starting to really add up for gold. We have geopolitical tensions rising along with economic uncertainty, boosting safe haven demand. Gold is the midst of a regime shift, transitioning from trading as a safe haven asset to an inflation hedge product, analysts at TD Securities have argued. Long-term inflation expectations are rising in sync with risk-on behavior, while rates vol remains deeply constrained amid Uber-supportive policy, fueling a process that weighs on real yields. With 10Y break-evens continuing to print new post-COVID highs, the normalization in inflation expectations may remain a powerful driver lifting gold prices deeper into $1,800 ounce territory. US cases have been continuing to rise. US COVID-19 storm clouds, transmission rate on the rise, concerns over airborne spread. Meanwhile, the latest US COVID-19 headlines do not make for nice reading, especially for the rise and spread of cases in some of the worst hit the US states. US cases have been continuing to rise over the weekend, with the total number of cases nearing 2.9 million and deaths closing in on 130,000. The situation in Houston is being compared to that seen in New York in early April and Florida seeing around 10,000 cases per day. The latest updates come from the transmission rate in the U.S. state of New Jersey rising to the highest level in 10 weeks. "I see storm clouds on the horizon," Governor Andrew Cuomo said last Wednesday as he announced indoor dining New York City was postponed indefinitely. Today, he warned that this is a warning sign. DXY treading on thin ice, gold at critical resistance. As for the US dollar, it is losing its safe haven allure. Investors continue to expect green shoots in the global economy to continue to grow as nations seek to manage the spread of the virus while opening their economies and keep business going. The DXY has a negative correlation to gold price trajectory. Gold bears will be alarmed by the progress the dollar bears are making below a critical hourly trend line support in the 97 zone. A break of 96.70s opens the floodgates to 95.80, which could be just the nudge that gold needs to break the $1,790s on a spot basis. XAU USD levels. Overview. Today last price $1784.25. Today daily change 0.8.06. Today daily change percent 0.45. Today daily open 1776.19. Trends. Daily SMA 20.1747.5. Daily SMA 50.1728.5. Daily SMA 100.1678.16. Daily SMA 200.1593.25. Levels. Previous daily high 1777.21. Previous daily low 1772.76. Previous weekly high 1789.28. Previous weekly low 1757.7. Previous monthly high 1785.91. Previous monthly low 1670.76. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 1775.51. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 1774.46. Daily pivot point S1.1773.56. Daily pivot point S2.1770.94. Daily pivot point S3.1769.11. Daily pivot point R1.1778.01. Daily pivot point R2.1779.84. Daily pivot point R3.1782.46. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.